Okay, so now we're going to go on to play the complete D major scale. And basically, we're using the same fingerings that we have been using. Open, 1, 3, 4. And then we go over to the next string, the A string, and repeat it. So it's very simple. Let's try this. D, E, F sharp, G, open A, B, C sharp, D. So as you can see, I'm just rolling my fingers from one string to the next to make sure that I stay in tune from one string to the next. And I always keep my thumb attached. I don't really let my thumb fall away. It's kind of my anchor here, so I always know where I am. So let's try playing this Arco, the D major scale. We'll take it coming down. Now that we have all of the D major scale, there are a lot more songs we can play. So let's try a French folk song. This is in 3/4, and we start on the high D. 1, 2, 3. You can try that Arco now. Remember, keep your thumb attached to the back of your neck so you always know where you are. 1, 2, 3. So you notice when I just played that, we have 3 bars of playing relatively short notes, and then you have 1 bar where you have to play just 1 note. So how do you figure out how much bow to use? You don't want to get stuck so you don't have enough room to play that note nicely. That's why when I play a piece like this, I always start pretty much what I call in the lower half. Not way here, not right here by the frog, but just comfortably in what we call the lower half of the bow. So in case I suddenly need to hold on to it, I have a lot of room to do that. Let's do that again. And that's your French folk song.